Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to check all password saved on your iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on settings. Okay, then back, then first. Okay, then scroll down. Okay, search on password. Click on password. View open password, then face ID, then all password, this account password, just click, then passkey, then username, that's all. Then back, then Wi-Fi password, just click, then all Wi-Fi name and password, check, tap on this option, then password, then back, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.